literally the first afternoon free from school, and I'm trying to eat chips and I don't want to touch it with my hands, and I'm using chopsticks. I'm not exaggerating. Can you see that? I did arnis today for the first time. And I used this hand to hold the stick. And I'm shaking. I better get a good grade for that. Like, seriously, do you? I also mopped today. So maybe that's why my muscles are so tired.
Joke. Hi. Introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Jan, and my pronouns are they, them.
We got interviewed, right? Like, these random people came up to us and were like,
Well, you know.
they were like, hi, can we ask you questions? So we said yes. And then their first question was,
What are you? Are you friends or couples? Like,
so I panicked, friends.
yeah.
How did the question
It's
go?
like, do you believe that if a couple would go to Baguio, they would break up after?
I said yes.
I said no.
I feel like that might go back up on like TikTok or something. So if you see me on TikTok, no, you did not. It was the most awkward thing ever. There they are. Wow.
That was good.
Thank you.
Welcome po. Serve It's like I had a workout, like full body workout from just practicing on how to skate because I don't know how, and she dared me to do it. And I
Did I though?
You did.
I did dare you. It was a suggestion. So basically, we went skating. They tried 15 minutes and I tried 15 minutes. I was decent. Because I've tried it before.
You already have XP.
XP.
We're supposed to do a jump shot or something.
Yeah.
But, you know, we can get distracted.
Yeah, no, we went in the skating rink because it was like drizzling. And then suddenly we saw like the skates. Then I suggested that they try it. I kind of wanted to try to vlog, but there was just too many people trip. Wow, I can't speak.
It's chaotic because it's like when you go in, it's like you're seeing a lot of drunk people.
What was that? I saw that.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page?
I look so puffy. I feel like everybody says this already about the Heartstopper cast, but they're literally perfect. They look exactly like the people in the comics. It's so good. Watch Heartstopper. Read the comic. Support Alice Oseman. They're amazing. Okay. I'm gonna continue watching this. first coffee I've had in 2 days. Simply because those past 2 days I've been trying to enroll myself for short term, which is basically like summer classes. And boy was it stressful, and I'm so glad that I did not take any caffeine, because if I did take any kind of caffeine at all, I would have been an anxious mess. More of an anxious mess than I already was. There we go. We're gonna continue watching on the TV. It's really nice. We got Netflix and YouTube on it, and it's really fun. My sister and I are watching Heartstopper. Of course, I have to rewatch Heartstopper because it's so good. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna pop some popcorn. Oh yeah, have I ever told y'all that we got a microwave?